everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Subodh Das, your friend and guide. So in my previous videos, already I have explained you about the trigonometric ratios, about the specific angles of the trigonometry. Now today we'll discuss about the complementary angles. So you have to watch the video till the end to get the total knowledge, the conceptual clarity, because knowledge is power. Now let's start about the trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles. Now see, let's take one triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC. Okay, here this is your B, A, this is your C. So right angle at B. Now here in this triangle, angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Why is it? Angle A plus angle C is 90 degree. Because B is 90. We know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of the triangle. So now here I'll write angle C is equal to 90 minus angle A, or directly I can write this is angle C is equal to 90 minus angle A. Now see, here this is A. Now we'll find out the ratios in the given triangle. Now see sin A. Shokatwa, you know, opposite by hypotenuse. So sin A is equal to your BC by AC, because BC is your hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse. So now sin A is equal to BC by AC. So cos A, you know, cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse is equal to your AB by AC. Now you know tan A, already you know it in trigonometric ratios. So tan A is equal to your opposite by adjacent is equal to your BC by AB. Now cot A is equal to your adjacent by opposite is equal to AB by BC. Now sec A is equal to your hypotenuse by adjacent. So AC by AB. Now your cosec A, that is your hypotenuse by opposite side, that is equal to your hypotenuse AC by BC. So these are the ratio of angle A. Now come to angle C. If angle C is equal to 90 minus A, so this angle is your 90 minus A. This is your 90 minus A. So in place of angle C, in place of, you will write sin C is equal to sin C. What is sin? Opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is constant. So opposite is your AB. AB by AC. But in place of C, I can write here sin 90 minus A. In place of C, because C is 90 minus A. Angle C is 90 minus A. So I can write sin 90 minus A is equal to AB by AC. So here see AB by AC. Who is AB by AC? Here this side AB by AC is cosec is equal to cosec. Therefore I can write sin 90 minus A is equal to cosec. That means the complement of sin A is equal to cosec. How to find out the complement in the junior classes? We are finding if two angles are said to be complement of each other, when their sum is 90, then 90 minus one angle is the complement of the other angle. Suppose alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Then complement angle of alpha is equal to 90 minus beta. And complement angle of beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. You know it earlier in the junior classes. So just applying that knowledge, we are doing it here. Now come to the next part. Cos 90 minus A. That means cos C, that is equal to BC by AC, is equal to BC by AC. So BC by AC what? Sin A. So I can write here cos 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Okay. Now come to your tan 90 minus A. In place of C I am not writing. In place of C I am writing 90 minus A. So tan 90 minus A, AB by BC, that is equal to your AB by BC, opposite by adjacent, AB by BC, who is cot A, is equal to cot A. So that implies your tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. Tan 90 minus A, cot A. Now see, cot 90 minus A is equal to cot 90 minus A, cot. So adjacent by opposite. So BC by AB, that is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. See where BC by AB is 10A is equal to 10A. So cot 90 minus A is equal to 10A. Cot 90 minus A is equal to 10A. Now come to sec. So sec C 90 minus A, sec C, sec 90 minus A is equal to sec. Sec is how much? So hypotenuse SC by adjacent BC. SC by BC. See, where is SC by BC? That is your cosec A. That is your cosec A. So sec 90 minus A is equal to cosec A. Okay. Now come to cosec. Cosec 90 minus A. Cosec 90 minus A is equal to hypotenuse by your what? Opposite. That is your AB. AB. So AC by AB, sec A. AC by AB, that is equal to your sec A. So cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec A. Cosec 90 minus A is equal to your sec A. Now see the complementary angles. Sin 90 minus A, cos A. Cos 90 minus A, sin A. Tan 90 minus A, cot A. Cot 90 minus A, tan A. Sec 90 minus A, cosec A. Cosec 90 minus A, sec A. So complement of sin is cos. Complement of cos is sin. Complement of tan is cot. Complement of cot is tan. Complement of sec is cosec. Complement of cosec is sec. So how we are finding the complementary angles in case of these trigonometric ratios? We will detail discuss about it by taking some examples. Now move on to the examples. Example 1. Find the value of sin 15 degree by cos 75 degree plus cot 25 degree by tan 65 degree. So here in this case what we will do? Keep it in mind, where numerator or denominator any one is to be split up to find the complementary angle. Any one, not both. So that I can write is equal to, let's say sin 15. So sin 15 degree is your 90 degree minus 75 degree. 15 degree. 15 is 90 minus 75 is 15. How to know? How to know? 75. So 90 minus this 75. Given 75. So 90 minus this given angle is the complementary angle. Questions given like this. And denominator cos 75 degree remains constant. Numerator we are finding the complementary angle, then denominator remains constant. No both the angles at a time. Now plus, let's say here cot 25 degree constant. Now 10 90 minus how much? 65. 90 minus 25, the given numerator angle 25 degree. So 15 90 minus 75, your 65 90 minus 25. Now sin 90 minus theta, formula sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So I can write cos 75 degree by cos 75 degree plus cot 25 degree by tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is your cot theta. Cot theta. Cot, this is your theta. So cot 25 degree cancel. So that is equal to your 1 plus 1. That is equal to your 2 is the answer. Now move on to example number 2. This is different kind. So see here, given in the multiplication form, tan 15 degree in tan 25 degree into tan 45 degree into tan 65 degree into tan 75 degree. So here what we will do? First we have to select the complementary angles. Complementary angles means the sum of two angles is 90. So given 15 complementary angle, 90 minus 15 is 75. Here this one complementary angle. Now 25, given 25, 90 minus 25 is 65. So these are 45. So no other angles are given in 45. Value is there. We know from the trigonometric angle table. Specific angles 45 degree, tan 45 degrees 1. Value of tan 45 degrees 1. We know it. So now we will write here. Tan, arrange it now. Tan 15 degree into tan 25 degree into tan 45 degree into this 65. Tan 90 minus 65, 25 into 10 75. So 90 minus 15 degree, that is equal to tan 15 degree into tan 25 degree into 1. Value of tan 45 1. Value of tan 45 1 into tan 90 minus theta cot 25 degree into tan 90 minus theta again cot theta into cot 15 degree. That is equal to. Now arranging tan 15 degree into cot 15 degree into tan 25 degree into cot 25 degree into 1. Here also directly you can write, but I am adding one step for your better understanding. So you know tan theta into cot theta is 1 because reciprocal of tan is cot and reciprocal of cot is tan. So tan theta into cot theta is 1. That is equal to your 1 into this is also 1 into this is 1 given 1 is equal to 1. So this is the required solution of example number 2. Now we will see the next example. So now move on to example number 3. What is given? If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then so that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Okay, we know. So solution, let's see. We know in triangle ABC, we know in triangle ABC, I am not giving the sign of the angle, writing angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So now, just omitting the angle, I can write here what? A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Okay. Degree, right? Now here b, that implies b plus c is equal to 180 degree minus a. Okay. Now dividing both sides by 2, we will get, what we will get? That implies your b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 degree minus a by 2. Okay. That implies here b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus a by 2. Okay. Now taking sine ratio or sine function on both sides, we will get sine function, sine b plus c by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus a by 2. That implies here sine b plus c by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos a by 2, the required solution proved, or that is given or proved. So thanks for watching my videos till now. Kindly subscribe my channel, share my videos, and give your valuable comments to inspire me to upload more and more conceptual videos in future. Thank you.